Assalamualaikum to our beloved Dr. Nurzalina. My name is Siti Afiqah binti NORASIKIN, followed by another three of my teammates, which are NURINA AISYAH, SAIDATULNISA, and NURZURAIN. Our project is about a system for our own business, namely creative thinking. There are multiple services provided related to multimedia, which in total there are 12 services, which are photography, PowerPoint presentation, posters, jersey design, as photo, logos, 3D animation, video editing, books, ads, and short videos, Canva designs, banners, and also photo editing. Also, the charge for each service is per quantity at the time or unit. There are in total 10% in charge and one sales representative. This sales representative who mainly will use the system. 8 of the person will in charge only on one service only, while another 2 will be in charge of 2 services, which accordingly follow their specialty. Our mission is to serve clients by using our expertise to create an appealing output within their budget. Our vision to become recognized for our exceptional skills, creativity, and commitment to client satisfaction.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURINA AISYAH. I will be explaining about problem identification that occur when we record the data. First, manual data management. Handling this data manually is a burdensome and error-prone task due to the complexity of our services. Both the sales representative and the service managers face challenges in tracking customer details, needs, and expectations, leading to inefficiencies and potential burnout. Second, task scheduling. Scheduling tasks is another area where manual management falls short. Overlapping dates and last-minute cancellation are common issues that disrupt our workflow and frustrate our customer. Third, missed deadlines. The lack of our systematic approach also causes us to miss deadlines. For instance, our photography team sometimes arrive at the wrong location or sometimes the wrong date due to schedule errors. Fourth, profit calculation. Since we make it manually, this process is time-consuming and error-prone, often resulting in discrepancies that require rechecking and can lead to further calculation errors. Fifth one, quotation discussion. Discussing quotation with customer is challenging without an organized system. We need to provide clear information about our rates and services, and manual handling make this process unmanageable and inefficient. Next, I will present about customer table. First, service ID. It helps us quickly find and cross-reference customer data with the services they have requested. Second, customer ID indicates the number of customers. This helps us manage our workload and monitor customer engagement. Third, customer's name and email, delivering the final products to our customers. All products are sent via email or Google Drive, making it important to have accurate contact information. Fourth, type of customers, divided into 3 categories: business, students, and personnel. This helps us to distinguish our customer segment in specific. Next, type of service. We can easily allocate resources and track which services are in demand. Next, quantity, the number of orders placed by each customer. For example, our photography services are charged per hour due to the complexity of setup and the precision required in the editing. Lastly, date ordered and deadline records when an order was placed and help us prioritize tasks and allocate resources effectively. It allows us to provide accurate timeline to our customers. Next, I will explain about table services. First, service ID for identifying who is responsible for each service. Next, person in charge to shows who will be handling each service, making it easy for customers to know who they will be working with during discussion and ensuring a smooth and transparent process. For example, Safia Arisha will be handling ads photo and Sofia Zahra will be handling logo. Next, type of service. This provides a clear overview of our services like Canva, PowerPoint, and photographer. Next, service prices, allowing customer to see the cost associated with each service. For example, poster will be charged Rm12 per poster. Next, specialization. This reassures customer that our team members are highly skilled and in their respective areas, enhancing trust and confidence in our services.
Now, I will present about the queries. There are 5 queries type from here here to overcome the problems that I had mentioned by Nurina Aisha. So let's go through one by one. Task query is high value task query, which we use compound criteria or with the function is to identify the priority of tasks based on the total cost that more than 300 ringgit and above per customer. This is the query help us to avoid a loss of high value orders. So we specifically enter the criteria under the type of services S02 PowerPoint, S03 poster, and S10 Canva because this type of service usually takes more time and has more than one quantity per order. This is how the sheet view. So the second query is May details, which we focus on May schedule, the compound criteria, and the function is to make a systematic schedule for both sales representative and designer. This is how the data sheet view are. The third query is photographic query, which we use the combination of and or with the function to avoid overlooking of this order. We set the date is before 13 June 2024 since the sales representative want to sort all the deadline tasks before June 2024 for photographer and photo editing order. So this is how it looks like for the datasheet view. This query, which we use calculated field here, as you can see here, we multiple quantity with the service price. The function is to help the sales representative to easily identify the total cost of each customer, which this helps the salesperson to give the right amount to the customer. Also, this query helps the sales representative to make a calculation of profit that our business had received. This is how datasheet view are contain 40 data. Then we have service detail query, which we use or as the function is to eliminate time consuming work activities, especially when needed to handle multiple customer inquiries. So how it's work? So the salesperson need to enter the type of service that the customer wants and also need to enter the minimum of the customer budget and maximum of the customer budget. So that after that, as you can see here, will appear a list of services within the customer budget and also the selected service.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURZURAIN FASEHAH binti AZLAN. Today I will be presenting about form. Today I will be discussing our customer form, a vital tool for managing customer information and orders efficiently. The form includes several key fields. Firstly, service ID uniquely identifies each service. Customer ID ensures each customer is tracked individually. Customer name, personalized communication. Email is used for sending invoice and updates. Type of customers helps in segmenting and tailoring service. Phone number enables direct communication. Type of service specifies the ordered service. Quantity aids in accurate billing and inventory management. Date order tracks processing times. Deadline ensures timely service delivery. The form serves multiple functions such as record keeping, order tracking, communication, service management, deadline management, and customer segmentation. Additionally, navigation buttons enhance usability for previous record and next record for seamless navigation through records. First record and last record for quick access to initial and recent entries. Close form to exit and return to the main menu. Overall, this form is critical for maintaining accurate records, efficient order processing, and effective communication with our customers. Next, I will be highlighting our service form, an essential tool for managing and tracking the diverse service we offer. This form includes several key fields. Firstly, service ID uniquely identifies each service, crucial for accurate record keeping and tracking. Second, person in charge names the individual responsible for the service, ensuring accountability and providing a clear contact point. Third, type of service specifies the service nature, aiding in management and customer understanding. Fourth, service price indicates the cost, essential for billing and financial transparency. And lastly, specialization describes the service focus valuable for marketing and showcasing unique benefits. Our customer offers a wide range of 12 services. This diversity meets various customer needs with high quality specialized outcomes. Overall, this form organizes and categorizes service effectively, ensure clear accountability, provide pricing transparency, and communicates service specialization to customers. It helps maintain organized records, facilitates smooth operations, and enhance customer satisfaction by providing clear and comprehensive service information. Our Microsoft Access multi-page form is a powerful tool for tracking customer and service data. It includes a service ID field for searching specific service, tag for customer detail and charts, a customer order subform with detailed information like service ID, customer's ID, customer name, and more. Navigation controls help move through records and filter data efficiently. Key features include search and navigation, data entry, filtering, sorting, and data visualization. For example, the Charts tab shows a pie chart of customers type, 25% for business, 50% for personal, and 25% for student, adding in quick analysis. This for ensure efficient service management and accurate record keeping.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURZURAIN ZAIDI and I will present about report. So I start with the first one, sales report. The report is titled Sales Report and includes several key components which are customer name, phone number, service ID, quantity, service price, and total cost. Each entry in the report provides specific details about customer purchases, including names, contact numbers, unique service identifiers such as S08 and S09, the quantity of services purchased, the price per service they choose, and the total cost calculated based on the quantity and service price. This organized and clear overview of customer transactions helps in effectively tracking and managing sales and customer information. Let's move to the service report. The service report offers a comprehensive summary of the different services that are provided, together with important details like service ID, type of service, person in charge, and service price. Every report entry includes a unique service ID like just what I mentioned, S01 or S02, along with the kind of service provided like photographer or PowerPoint. The record additionally delineates the accountable party for every service, namely SN Afiqah and NURINA JAFFRY, along with the associated fee for each service, which range from RM12 to RM250. This well-structured and detailed report facilitates the monitoring and supervision of rendered services, guaranteeing clarity and efficiency in service management. Below the table, there are photos of the creative thinking staff member. The images in the first, second, third, and fourth rows are of NURZURAIN ZAIDI, SAIDATULNISA FASEHAH, NURINA AISYAH, and SITI Afiqah. Together with the staff member photos, this well-structured report makes service administration more efficient and transparent by helping the monitor to manage the service provided. And lastly, for multi-table report. This multi-table report integrates data from the service table and the customer table. Its primary purpose is to provide a comprehensive summary of the services performed by each person in charge and the customers they served. The report details each person in charge along with the specific services they provided, and it lists in the names of the customers, their customer's ID, and the quantity of services purchased. This detailed information allows for easy tracking of the number of customers each person in charge has attended to, facilitating better management and analysis of service performance and customer interaction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, I will present about the relationship between table customer and service. As you can see here, the relationship is many to one. This means the service can have many customers and not vice versa. This means all the designer can have many customers. Also, one customer can have another service but cannot have it under the same customer ID and needs to make another different order under a different customer ID. That's all from me.
In conclusion, efficient database management is essential for optimizing operations and enhancing performance. It involves utilizing tables, queries, forms, and reports to ensure data integrity and accessibility. Tables form for the foundation by defining fields and rows for efficient data storage and maintaining integrity. Queries enable accurate data retrieval and analysis through customized SQL queries, enhancing efficiency and automating tasks. User-friendly forms provide an intuitive interface for data entry, minimizing errors and ensuring consistency. Report transform raw data into actionable insights, supporting informed decision-making and strategic planning. Structure management improve operational efficiency and data accuracy, facilitating proactive decision-making and adaptability. Implementing this practice drive growth and efficiency, enhancing customer satisfaction through data-driven strategies for sustainability success.